Set the steering wheel to turn. Move the steering wheel outward. Use a tool to open the small holes on both sides of the steering wheel. Get the airbags out. Take the steering wheel out with a tool. Now take the trim off. Use the tool to unscrew the two screws. Move the steering wheel outward. Take down the center console. Tie the lines and wire speeds together through the center control. Connecting our plugs to the blue jacks. Reinstall it. Now mount the left side and just mount it straight up. Connection plug. Move the steering wheel outward. The right side requires a plug to be connected before installation. There are two screws on the right side that need to be installed, not on the left side. Install the bottom part first, then the top part. Two screws tightened. Be sure to check the seams when installing this. Put the steering wheel on.